Decentralized finance is evolving, and Hyperliquid is here to power it, the blockchain fast enough to handle all of DeFi in one place. All of the relevant links for Hyperliquid will be in the pinned comments and at the very top of today's video description. Always do your own research before investing in cryptocurrency projects because we are not financial advisors. Want to get your YouTube video to the top of the YouTube search engine? Get ytranker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. First, we're going to go over and open an incognito here on Google Chrome to ensure there is no previous search bias. We're going to type in youtube.com, and before we do the search, we need to click on the settings, the three dots here. Make sure the language is in English and that the location is set to the United States. Once United States has been selected, we're going to go into the search engine and go for our first search and type in Botsol. As we can see right there, right at the top, this video right here by BizCheck is actually a video that YT Ranker was able to get to the top of the search engine. Right there, boom, there it is. Now let's go in and type in another one, Leads Sniper, and have a look. And bang, again, top digital products, this video here, and also again, BizCheck Botsol versus Lead Sniper right at the top of the search. So, what are you waiting for? Get ytranker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. Back to the video. What is Hyperliquid, folks? Well, in a nutshell, folks, it's a high-performance L1 blockchain essentially built to unify all of decentralized finance. It brings liquidity, apps, and trading all into the one system. Then in terms of actually going ahead and launching the app, it's very simple. I've already got it opened up here, and you just need to connect it to your EVM wallet, such as a MetaMask. You click on Launch App. That would then load a secondary page, as you can see here, which has all the different sections in regards to the UI interface for the trading, okay? And the different sections they have there, such as vaults, portfolio, staking, also referrals, as well as leaderboard and some more stuff here on the drop down. Two really important and standout features for Hyperliquid are its Hypercore plus its Hyper EVM. So essentially, guys, Hypercore runs on-chain order books with one block finality, while Hyper EVM lets builders launch DeFi apps and Ethereum compatible tools all in the one place. Also, its Hyper BFT consensus is also extremely impressive too. So it's essentially custom built for finance. Hyper BFT essentially delivers 0.07 second block times and up to 200k orders per second, which essentially makes it built to scale on the decentralized finance ecosystem. So extremely fast, extremely efficient, and just a big leap forward for blockchain technology within DeFi. Now, a lot of projects do talk about community first, but where do their actions really lie? Hyperliquid is different, folks. There's no VCs, there's no hidden fees. The actual Hype token, ticker symbol HYPE, actually gives governance and ownership directly to the community. No investors, no paid market makers, and no fees to any company. Truly community first. And also, I can't not mention the fact that they got one-click trading with zero actual gas and ultra low fees, as we did mention, guys. They're doing over $13 billion USD of trading volume and nearly 1 million users in this early stage, which is extremely impressive in my opinion, and also objectively when you do compare it to other similar projects in the space that are just not simply bringing in those numbers. And guys, developers can launch tokens and build new DeFi apps on Hyper EVM as well. And one massive standout as well, just to sort of close out the video, is the simple fact that at least out of the people that I am following, folks, they've got over 70 people within my ecosystem that are also following Hyperliquid on X. It's not everything you can go off, but it certainly does add a high level of due diligence to the project. This is a trusted project. It's not just some random project that's come out, folks. They've been joined here from May 2022 and been quietly building something in the background for actually quite some time now, and it's just starting to really come to fruition quite a bit more. Alright folks, so that's all for today's video about Hyperliquid. Let me know in the comments what you think about this project. It's a big project, there's no doubt about that. There's a lot of people involved with it. They're essentially making the blockchain ecosystem within DeFi a lot more accessible, more efficient, easier for builders and users alike. And they're offering a really good suite of actual necessary products to the ecosystem, and something that I'll definitely be taking part in myself. If you like this video, like it. If you do want to connect with Hyperliquid and find out anything more about the project, the necessary links will be in the pinned comments and at the top of the description of this video. I highly encourage you to go ahead and actually check it out. And make sure, folks, turn on notifications and do also subscribe if you want to see more high quality projects from us. All right, so wherever you're watching from, have a great day and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.